Here I have VIVO Y72, and today I'm going to show you how to activate quick action feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the shortcuts and accessibility, and then quick action. And here you can enable it. And right now, for example, I can use torch as a quick action. When the screen is off, press and hold the volume down button to enable specified functions. So as you can see right now, when I hold down volume down, I can enable torch. And that's how I can disable it too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.